Hi. We've taken a hard look at the best espresso machine on the market to bring you this best rated espresso machine under 300. Let's see the features of this great product.
Your lips are a puzzle, and I am the missing piece. Your breath makes me shudder as we slide between the sheets. Your lips are my savior from all the other girls, and I will never stray too far from yours. A cold December and I'm feeling warm. Oh, it's been too long, so darling, won't you let me open your door if you want to see what's in store? I know you want me, babe, but I want you more. Your eyes are on mine, I can see your appetite. But baby, you are an apple and I would just love to take a bite. Your kiss is my anchor from all the girls that roam, and I will never stray too far from home. Now it's the summer months and I'm feeling hot. Oh, it's gonna rain, but darling, don't let it make you stop. You know you want what's in store. I know you want me, babe, but I want you more. I know you want me, babe, but I want you more.
And these are our editor ratings for this product.